Well, if like me, you thought Sanele was dead after being shot by Gadla, then I have unexpected news for you. Sanele is still very much alive, saved by Banele, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys will enjoy watching this video. Okay, I want to start by giving a brief context so that people who didn't watch yesterday's episode of the show can be updated as well. So, Sanele had been seeing a gun wound on his chest and feeling pain. He then went to a Sangoma Okumete, and the Sangoma told him that he needed to be cleansed and let go of Banele. Otherwise, if he doesn't do that, he will die. So, what if Sanele decided to follow the advice given by Isangoma? He agreed to perform that ceremony that needed to be performed, which will assist him in getting rid of Banele. So they went and performed the ceremony, but the ceremony did not turn out to be what Sanele and Gumede expected. Things went south, and that is all because of Gadla. Gadla came and shot Sanele on the chest before the ritual even started. And I created a whole video about this episode because I also thought that Sanele was dead. But that was before I read the teasers. After reading the teasers, I realized that no man, Sanele is still very much alive. So let's quickly quote the text that I read from the teasers. Where is it now? Oh, there it is. So it says, Banele helps Sanele defy death by taking his place. Banele rushes to his family's rescue, but death still comes knocking. Zama and Gadla stand off before the big day. Or before their big day. Yes, that is what it says. Okay, I'll create a separate video for Zama and Gadla because I think that is an exciting storyline as well. For now, I wanted to focus on Sanele. So what this means is that Banele saved Sanele once again, which is exciting for me. I don't know about you guys. Futhi ngizwile ukuthi nantitho ngale bhora. Anginazi ukuthi nisusaphi yonke le nto leyo. But then do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. So let's engage again on the next one.